So let's start from where we left yesterday. So you know the huruful istifham, the use of with I have told that when you ask a question and there is a choice between two options, then the options they come next to which is al-istifham, and the second option comes next to So you know this rule that we have done it earlier. So for example, if you have a question, did you saw Muhammad or Hamid? So there are two options. Did you saw Muhammad or Hamid? So how will you say it? Can you try? So your question will start with al-istifham, and there will be in the question also, which means or, and is used for with always for such combination. Ara'aita, okay. Muhammadun am Hamidun. So sister, it's a good try, but there is a slight mistake in that. I told you that the two choices, whenever you are comparing the two choices, it has to be next to istifham and next to always. They come together. So okay, no problem. Muhammadan ra'aita. So this is the first choice. It will come next to and hamidan. So this is the second choice, which will come next to So this is important. I think I have told you earlier also that the two choices have to come next to and next to That is very important. And why these are mansub? Why these are mansub? Muhammadan ra'aita hamidan. What is the reason it's mansub? Yes, they are maf'ul bihi. Yeah, they are maf'ul bihi. Because here ra'aita includes both fail and fa'il. Ra'aita includes both fail and fa'il. Okay. Okay. Now again try. Did you read book of fiqh or book of tawheed? Did you read the book of fiqh or the book of tawheed? Again, same mistake, Sister Tasneem. I think you didn't got the you didn't got to my explanation. Is this concept clear? That when it comes to two choices, each choice have to be adjacent to and Book of fiqh, Siraj, book of a kitabu. Okay, Sister Asma, again a slight mistake. A kitabu fiqh ra'aita. I'm talking about read. Again, try. I want to give you. Okay, try again. Take care of maf'ul bihi. Sister Sufia, maf'ul bihi. Sister Tasneem, maf'ul bihi. This is Zakiya maf'ul bihi. A kitab. Okay, what is the first choice? It is book of fiqh. What is the first choice? The book of fiqh. Okay. A kitab al-fiqhi. A kitab al-fiqhi qara'ata am kitab al-tawhidi. So Sister Sufia came at last with the correct answer. A kitab al-fiqhi qara'ata am kitab al-tawhidi. Is this clear? Now, kitab in both the sides, they are mudaf. Both of them, both the kitab are mudaf, right? But they are maf'ul. They are maf'ul bihi. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Any confusion here? Sister Tasneem and others? Okay. Fine. Okay, so there is a word, there is zarf that is coming in this chapter. It's called barihata. Barihata means yesterday. And why it is zarf? What kind of zarf is this? Zamba. Good. Barihata. So remember this. So there is a barihata is used in this chapter, which means yesterday. There is another word that is coming in this chapter called Abshir. Abshir. Now, when you see such words coming, you have to know, you have learned a lot about af'al in sarf. You have learned a lot about asma in first book, isms. Okay. Now, let's say I don't know the meaning of this word, abshir. Let's say I don't know the meaning of this word, abshir. And I want to know whether it is ism or fail. It cannot be harf, whether it is ism or fail. Can you guess what can it be? Failul amr. Some people are saying failul amr, some are saying, okay, fail. It is at the end, it's fail. Okay, why do you say it is fail? Why do you say it is fail? Last letter is sukoon. Okay, that's a very good answer. Last letter is sukoon. Now, why sukoon makes it fail? This is Zakiya. Okay, let's compare between ism and fail first. Okay, it is status of jazm. That's good. So it gives some indication of failul amr. And tanween, a noun doesn't take sukoon. Ism doesn't take, the last letter of ism doesn't take sukoon. Right? So it cannot be ism. It cannot be ism. It has to be fail. Now, when it is fail, then it has to be amr. Why? Because there is specifically, there is a sukoon at the end. And since you have learned failul amr, it makes sense. Okay. Now we have to find out which family it belongs to, which bab it belongs to. So these are the abwab that you are aware about. Now 6 of these deal with mujarrad, and these 8 deal with thulathi mazid. Okay. So what do you think? Abshir can belong to which bab? Mazid. Okay, Mazid. And in Mazid, bab Aslama. Why Aslama, brothers and sisters? Why not Iqtaraba, Inqalaba, Istaghfara? Okay, it makes sense. It's not Hamzatul Wasl. Yeah, Fatha, that's fine. It is Hamzatul Qata. That is the reason. Hamzatul Qata. Yes. Because Abshir starts with Hamzatul Qata. And there is only one bab that you know that starts with Hamzatul Qata, and that is Bab Aslama. Okay. So you can guess now that Abshir belongs to Bab Aslama. So let's find out what is Bab Aslama. Aslama, this is the Bab Aslama. Let's put this into this Aslama. So what it will be? Let's make this conjugation for Abshara, Yubshiru, Ibsharan. It belongs to Aslama family. Abshara, Yubshiru, Ibsharan, Fahuwa, Mubshirun, Ubshira, Yubsharu, Ibsharan, Fahuwa, Mubsharun, Al Amru Minhu, Abshir. Abshir. Right? Al Amru Minhu, Abshir. Okay. Now, Aslama. What is the meaning of Aslama? What is the meaning of Aslama? No, Aslama. Aslama is not. He surrendered. He submitted. Yes, that is correct. He surrendered or he submitted. That is Aslama. Now, this is from many of you already gave the meaning of this, guessing some meaning that this is related. It's coming from Bashara, some kind of a good news. So Abshara means he rejoiced. He enjoyed. He rejoiced or he enjoyed. That is the meaning of Abshara. That is the meaning of Abshara. So what will be the meaning of Yubshiru? Yubshiru. He rejoices. And what will be the meaning of Abshir? What will be the meaning of Abshir? Abshir, this is Amr. Yes, be happy, rejoice, enjoy. Yes, yes, that is Abshir. That is Abshir. Okay, so how will you write the standard format of writing the this in Sarf is first you write Madi, Abshara, then you write Mudari, then you write the masdar of that, Ibsharan. That's the standard way of writing. Okay, if you, this is for, whenever you will be learning now Sarf. So now onwards, we will use this standard format whenever we are talking about any, for example, when I'm talking about Bab Nasara, so I will say Nasara Yansuru Nasran. That's how I will say Nasara Yansuru Nasran, because that is the masdar. That is the masdar. Okay. So let's do the conjugation of this. So now onwards, we will use these two af'al and one ism. Ibsharan, this is masdar. Masdar is what? It is ism. Masdar is ism. Abshara, yubshiru, ibsharan. Okay, Abshara, he rejoiced. Okay, what will be the conjugation of Madi? He rejoiced. Abshara, then Abshara, Absharu, Absharat, Absharata, Absharna, Absharta, Abshartuma, Abshartum, Absharti, Abshartuma, Abshartunna, Abshartu, Absharna. Is it clear? This is Madi. Okay. And what are all these red color? Oh, sorry. So my slides are copied and pasted. So I have to, okay, I will delete this. Just ignore this. But just ignore that, okay? Okay. Clear? And what are the red color things that you can see? These are what? Fine. That's good. Okay. He rejoices. Yubishiru. He rejoices. Yubishiru. Then Uma. Yubshirani. Yubshiruna. Tubishiru. Tubshirani. Yubshirna. Tubishiru. Tubshirani. Tubshiruna. Tubshirina. Tubshirani. Tubshirna. Then Ana. Ubshiru. Nahnu. Nubshiru. That's good. Now let's see the Amr. Amr is what? Abshir. Brothers and sisters, this is specific to Bab Aslama. What is the specific rule? And when you make Amr, you decide the sign of the first letter by looking at the sign of the Ain Kalima. Okay, if Ain Kalima takes Kasra or Fatha, then the first letter will take Kasra. But if Ain Kalima takes Dhamma, then it will take Dhamma. But in Bab Aslama, it is always taking Fatha. Yes, it is always taking Fatha. Abshir. Okay, what will be the Huma? Antuma. Abshira. That's good. Then Abshiru. Abshiri. Good. Abshira. MashaAllah. Good. Abshirna. Good. There's a spelling mistake. Let me check. Where is the spelling mistake? Oh. Let me correct this mistake, brothers and sisters. If any mistake, typing mistakes, brothers and sisters, please let me know, because what I'm doing is I do not create these tables again and again. So I take one of the previous one and I just update them. So you need to tell me. Okay, there is another fi'l that is coming here. It is called bahasa. Bahasa. It means to search. Bahasa means to search. As you know, actually again. Okay. So it means to search. Okay. Bahasa means to search. As you know, when we use dhahaba, fi'l dhahaba. So whenever we talk about dhahaba and we are using it in a sentence, what do we say? Dhahaba ila al-masjidi. Okay. Dhahaba ila al-maktabi. Dhahaba ila al-maktabati. Dhahaba ila al-bayti. So normally we use ila with that, with dhahaba, right? In the same way, we use kharaja. When we use kharaja, we use min. So for example, zahaba means, when zahaba means he goes. Goes, whenever it's common sense, when he goes means you will ask, goes towards where? Goes towards where? So you will say ila. And when you say left, he left. So left, the moment it comes to your mind, left means left from where? So you will use min with kharaja. You'll use min with kharaja. So you will say kharaja min al masjidi, kharaja min al bayti. That's how you'll be saying. In the same way, bahasa comes with an. It comes with an. An means about. Actually, an have different meanings, depends on the context. Okay. So this means to search. Okay. He searched. Bahasa, he searched. It can mean he search for, yes, about, anything. Okay. So bahasa will be coming with an mostly. Okay. So that is bahasa. Okay. Now you have learnt about adad 1 and 2, 3 to 9. Then you learnt about adad 10 and 100, if you remember. Then you learnt about adad 11 to 19, and then you learnt about 20. And here, now you learn about all these numbers: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These are very simple. These are very simple. Why they are simple? Because they are all Jama Salim Muzakkar. Whether they are coming, Ma'dud is Muzakkar or Muannas, it doesn't matter. They are all Jama Salim Muzakkar. Why it is Jama Salim Muzakkar? Because in the halat of Rafa, it is Ishruna. Nasab, it is Ishrina, Ishrina. Same thing. Thalathuna, Thalathina, Thalathina. Arba'una, Arba'ina, Arba'ina. Okay. Khamsuna, Khamsina, Khamsina. Sittuna, Sittina, Sittina. Okay. Sab'una, Sab'ina, Sab'ina. Thamanuna, Thamanina, Thamanina. Tis'una, Tis'ina, Tis'ina. Understood, brothers and sisters? So these are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 100. So in Halat Rafa, it is Una. In Nasab and Jar, it is Ina. You know this already in Jama Salim Muzakkar, right? Okay. Is it clear? These are adad. So it doesn't need much explanation. You have already dealt with 20. Same rules is applicable for 20, 40, 50, 60, and 70, 80, and 90. Okay. So in this book also there are fractions. So fractions is coming. So what will you say about half? one half. For half, you will say nisfun. You already know this because we have been using this word many times previously. Yes. Nisfun. 1/3. It will be thuluthun. 1/4. It will be rub'un. 1/5. It will be khumsun. 1/6. It will be sudusun. 1/7. It will be sub'un. Okay. Then 1/8. It will be thumnun. And 1/9 it will be tus'un. And 1/10 it will be ushrun. Okay. It's very simple. Nisfun, thuluthun. So just remember one thing. Thuluthun and sudusun. Both of them, the ain kalima is taking harkat. Rest, all of you see, they are taking what? Sukoon. They are taking sukoon. Yes, yes, brother. Yes, you are right. Okay. So rest, all of them are taking sukoon. So nisfun, thuluthun, rub'un, khumsun, sudusun, sub'un, thumnun, tus'un, ushrun. And it's easy to remember this. The and kalima you are taking harkat is easy to remember. 3 and its double is 6. So thuluthun, sudusun. You can remember. Okay. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Yes. Inheritance law, yes. Okay. Okay, I'll just give you, we have started analyzing questions, but we will from time to time, inshallah, you will know. Since you have become expert of analyzing questions now, so the analyzing sentences now. So there are only 2 sentences, Jumla Ismiya and Jumla Fi'liya. Now you can start to analyze questions also. It's easy. And in questions also, you'll find the same kind of sentences in the Arabic grammar. So the concept is same, Ismiya and Fi'liya. So let's say this is a question. أين الكتاب ذي الغلاف الأحمر? Where is the book with red color? Okay, where is the book that possesses red color? Okay. So where is the book that possesses red color? Let's do the analysis for this. So, and you know that this is what? Ghilafil Ahmari. I'm always saying red color, red cover, red cover. It's so rhyming, these 2 words. Whenever I'm saying, in yesterday's class also I was saying red color. It is red cover, C-O-V-E-R. Okay. Yes, red cover. أين الكتاب ذو الغلاف الأحمر? So where is the book with red cover? Okay. So now let's do the analysis. Aina. What is the meaning of aina? Where? Does it strike you something? Let's use your knowledge. Where? What does it strike you? Where is indicating, is it indicating time? Is it indicating place? Place. So what do you think where can be? Aina can be what? Zarf. So aina is zarf. Aina is zarf. Now, do you see any fail in this question? Do you see any fail in this question? No. So this has to be Jumla Ismiya. This has to be Ismiya. Okay. So let's leave this. Can Zarf be Mubtada anytime? Can Zarf be Mubtada? Never, never, never. Zarf can never be mubtada. Remember in my first book, I told you, zarf can never be mubtada. So though it is in the beginning, it can never be mubtada. It can never be mubtada. So what is left? Al-kitabu dhul ghilaf al-ahmari. Al-kitabu dhul ghilaf al-ahmari. So this whole thing we can take it as mubtada container, right? Actually, the mubtada is al-kitabu. That, you know, we are using the concept of grouping the mubtada. We have been using this since book 1, right, brothers and sisters? Correct or not? You remember? Yes. So this whole thing we can take it as mubtada. So what is aina then? What is aina then? Yeah, it is mutalik bil khabar. It is mutalik bil khabar. Mutalik bil, yeah, you can say khabar also, but I told you we are using the new terminology. So there are two mutalik bil khabar. Don't forget book 1, brothers and sisters. Don't forget that. There are two mutalik bil khabar. What are those? Jar majroor and zarf. Yeah. Okay. So al-kitabu is mubtada. Okay, al-kitabu, or the whole thing as a mubtada container, and this becomes mutalik bil khabar. How easy it is for you now to analyze question. Last book it was difficult because how easy it is, right? Okay. Liman dhakal baytu dhul babil akhdari. Now can you do this? Can you do this? Liman, it is not, it is Liman, sister. Did I said Liman is zarf? Did I ever said Liman is zarf? What is Liman? Okay, what is Liman? Jar majroor. Good. Yes, that's absolutely correct, Sister Asma. Okay, jar majroor of what? Li plus man. Yes. Okay. So zaka is mubtada, or you can say zaka al baytu dhul babil akhdari. This whole thing you can take it as mubtada. Okay. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Are you ready for the textbook?